So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I'm Akira Sakano, representing Japan Sustainable Fashion Alliance here. So very glad to be here. So today, I'd like to introduce briefly about our alliance in Japan, and then to introduce a little bit of the case studies from our membership organization. So our alliance is mutually try to gain the common understanding of the impact of the fashion industry itself, and to lead the joint development of the solutions for common issues throughout the fashion and textile industry, and to promote the transition to the sustainable fashion industry as a whole. And our goal is for 2050, we aim to achieve carbon neutrality, of course, but at the same time, zero waste through appropriate production, appropriate purchasing, and of course, circulation of materials. So our membership organizations hold regular meetings monthly and more to share insights on the sustainable fashion, and then to try to collaborate towards zero fashion waste and carbon neutrality. So, and then we also stay informed about very important global and domestic fashion trends agenda, and make necessary policy recommendations to the national government or to the global insights to address common challenges within the industry. To join our alliance, everyone needs to actually commit and agree to the 5 commitments listed. So there are regular members and supporting members, and currently a total of 68 corporations or organizations are actively as a membership. So additionally, the Ministry of the Environment and the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry and the Consumer Affairs Agency are the national partners, or from the national government, actually joining us as a public partners. And then they also attend our monthly meetings. So one of the strategies of JASFA is that to bring together a wide range of stakeholders from various industries, from upstream to downstream of our fashion supply chain, including raw material manufacturers, trading companies, businesses handling subsidiary materials, apparel, of course, and retail companies, as well as companies engaged in the post-consumer circulation, including reuse, repair, and recycling. So in Japan, currently, we actually have 66% of clothes discarded by consumers after the consumption, which is incinerated or landfilled. First, it is necessary to promote longer wear through repair before, of course, clothes are discarded, and encourage reuse, and then establish a proper recycling system for all the items are very important. So within our associated corporations or organization, we'd like to introduce a little bit of the examples from our efforts. So firstly, in apparel and retail sectors, there is an active adoption of environmentally friendly materials, such as recycled polyester. So fiber fragments generated during washing is considered one of the causes of microplastics. And products with brushed finishes, such as fleece, tend to release more fibers during washing. So as a countermeasures, the development and expansion of textiles that reduce fiber fragments generated during washing has been promoted by innovating yarn and textile structures, such as using long fibers and avoiding brushing processes, while maintaining functionality, including lightweight, bulkiness, and thermal insulation. And systems for circulation are being developed in the various ways as well. For example, through recycling materials from other sources, such as fishing nets and PET bottles, aside from clothing itself, recycled nylon and recycled polyester are being produced. Some recycling companies are also developing technologies that promote high-quality recycled polyester through chemical recycling of fiber to fiber. Additionally, also, there are examples where clothing discarded by consumers is collected, then shredded and compressed to create panels, which are then transformed into building materials, furniture, mannequins, or even repurposed into ball bags used in soccer or football games. When recycling clothing, sorting auxiliary materials such as buttons and zippers requires time and cost. To simplify sorting and improve the recycling rates, methods such as using zippers made from recycled PET for polyester clothing and zippers made from nylon for nylon clothing, as well as designing for easier disassembly being implemented. There are also examples for upcycling products being created by utilizing used banners and flags from sports teams, as well as art pieces made from props used in movie shoots. These initiatives, in collaboration with various industries and organizations, contribute to waste reduction and value addition. Also, there are companies who are trying to build wider infrastructure for circulation of the materials, who collects, sort, and redistribute materials throughout the society. And then they also recently value the traceability of such materials by adding data from the collection to redistribution. So as a whole, JASFA is working on creating a circular system for textile resources based on these three pillars. The first, the most important maybe, could be the policy advocacy. So we promote necessary support to the government, focusing on improving collection and sorting efficiency, promoting the use of recycled materials, and developing recycling technologies with the aim of fostering collaboration. Secondly, corporate collaboration is, of course, being very important. We promote reuse and recycling through resource circulation demonstration experiments and collaboration between companies. So we, as a JASFA membership, can promote our own activities within that as well. Then thirdly, engagement with consumers are also very important. So we create systems that make it easier for consumers to participate in collection and repair by launching awareness campaigns and visualizing collection and repair hubs on the map as well. So these initiatives are still under development, and we are willing to share more examples in the future session if possible. So anyway, we will continue our efforts towards transforming our fashion industry to be more sustainable. And then I'd love to share more insights with everyone in the society as well. So thank you very much for listening, and then hope to hear from you as well.